A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. Updating your billing information on the Epic Games Store is straightforward. Here is how to do it in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Epic Games Store website or open the Epic Games launcher. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to enter your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payment Information. In the Account settings, find the Payment section on the left sidebar. Click on it to view your current billing information. Step 4. Update your billing info. Click on the Edit button next to your billing information. Enter your new payment details and make sure to double-check for typos, especially in code numbers. Gotcha, if you enter an incorrect expiration date, you'll get an error message when trying to save. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing information, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your changes were successful. Now you're all set. Updating your billing info can help ensure smooth transactions for your purchases. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.